Hello guys, welcome back to Tactics Tutorial. Today I would like to show to you guys how to switch my Instagram account to creator account. Now doing this is very simple. First things first, click on your profile over here on the bottom right. And over here, click on the hamburger icon on the top right, or the three lines that you can see. This will redirect you to the settings and activity. After that, simply scroll down to the bottom section, click on account type and tools, click on switch to professional account, click on continue, select what best describes you, and after that, as you can see here, simply select creator and click on next, and your account will be turned into a creator account. So as you can see, simply click on whatever you want. Then you will have to set up your professional account. And that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.